Morning students of standard 9. Today we are going to study topic Pteridophyta from chapter 3 diversity. Pteridophyta is also called as vascular cryptogams because vascular bundle remains present in it. So students, Pteridophyta is also called as vascular bundle cryptogams. So students, here cryptogams represents a group of plant which is lacking seeds, and students, here vascular represents that there is presence of xylem and phloem. So students, we can say that this category of plants generally possesses xylem for the conduction of sap and phloem for the conduction of organic materials. Students, we can understand the concept of Pteridophyta in a more better way with the help of this picture. So students, here we can notice that Pteridophyta are actually the seedless vascular plants. So students, because they are seedless, that is why they are called as vascular cryptogams. Students, phyton means plants and pteron means feathers. So students, from this picture we can also understand that these are those category of plants which appear like feathers. So students, if you concentrate on this plant, it appears like feathers. Since they generally reproduce by spores. Students, you can also notice that they are found in the forest areas, and even some of the pteridophytes are also the example of fossils. So students, here you can easily notice the fossil of a Pteridophyta. There is presence of horizontally growing stem in it, which is called as rhizome. So students, there is presence of a specific type of stem which grows horizontally, and this is why they are called as rhizome. So students, we generally know that a plant stem grows vertically. So students, here we can notice that the stem here is growing vertically. But students, here in this picture, if you will concentrate, then you can notice that the stem is growing horizontally. So students, this horizontally growing stem is called as rhizome, there is presence of specific leaf called as sporophyll. So students, the leaf which remains present in the Pteridophyta is called as sporophyll. So students, we can say that a specific type of leaf remains present in the Pteridophyta and which is called as sporophyll. The sporophyll which carries male reproductive organ is called as microsporophyll. So students, sporophyll, as we know, is leaf, and the leaf which when carries the male reproductive organ, then such type of leaf is called as microsporophyll. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you will be able to notice the specific leaf which are carrying the male reproductive organs. So students, here in this picture, this which you can notice is the microsporophyll, and here you can find the male reproductive organ. So students, this is the microsporophyll. So students, here also you can notice it has been mentioned as the sporophyll and the microsporophyll. The sporophyll which carries female reproductive organ is called as megasporophyll. So students, the specific leaf, students, here we know that sporophyll represents leaf. So the specific leaf which carries the female reproductive organ is called as the megasporophyll. So students, this is the megasporophyll, and here inside you can find the megaspores. Students, now let's discuss a very important question. What are various types of Pteridophyta? The following are various types of Pteridophyta. Xylopsida, Lycopsida, Sphenopsida, and Pteropsida. So students, these were various features of Pteridophyta, and the types of the Pteridophyta which remains present on earth. Thank you, students.